Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to clone your voice in PixVerse. That's actually that feature is not on the PixVerse right now, but I have an idea for you. Alright, let's go into the PixVerse.ai, and that trick everybody is using it. Alright, once you get into the PixVerse.ai, I just want to make sure that you are signed in, and after that I want to head over into create right here in the left menu and click on it. Alright, so you will be on this window. Right here you can choose the setup of your video on PixVerse. Alright, so for example for TikTok or Instagram Reels, etc., I want smooth motion right here on the motion section or the motion option. And yeah, these options that's create counts and the resolution is or are just for the ones that has or have the subscription. And you just need to download or upload your character that you want to be generated, or a photo right here, and you just need describe the content that you want to create right here, and then hit on create. Alright, so once you are finished, I just want you guys to go to another tool or another AI to add the your voice, and then you can clone the voice right there with some options, just like that. You can go into for example auto speech right here, and you can choose the voice that you want it to be on your video, but that's not your voice, it's what you type right here. So if you want it to be on your voice, you need to go into another tool. If you're interested in creating a synthetic version of your voice, you can use external voice cloning tools or other tools, as I told you, and these tools typically require a sample of your voice to generate a digital replica once created. You can download the cloned voice audio also and upload it to PixVerse following the steps on that website. Anyways, thank you for watching and goodbye.